Alrighty, good morning, good morning. I'm gonna I've got one coat of paint on with it flipped upside down. Everything I could see from upside down, I painted. And I'm fixing to set it right here and paint everything I can see facing up. 2 coats, I think 2 coats is all it's gonna need. I'm gonna put a final coat on that. And then, I know I'm breathing heavy. I gotta tell you why. I have constant trouble with my back. I've got 2 herniated discs in my lower back, 3 in my neck. And my neck doesn't bother me near as much as my back does. And walking is excruciating pain. And I'm in more pain than usual today because yesterday I hit a bump so hard it picked me up off the motorcycle. The motorcycle came off the ground. And when I landed, I knew I had screwed up my back. And just coming into town, my little town here, Wascom, and I knew it was there, and I told myself before we left, I'm going to have to go around that bump. And what it is a heat bump where it raises the tar up. And, throughout the summer, it gets worse and worse and worse. And I remembered that bump right up until about 2 minutes before I hit it. And my wife hit it. And when I saw her hit, she was in front of me. I saw her hit that bump and come up, off the bike, and the bike come off the ground. And, I couldn't do anything. It was too late for me. Anyway, I hit it, and I'm in freaking agony. And I took a pain pill. I usually don't take pain pills during the day because it really, really slows me down. And anyway, so I'm going to put 2 coats of paint on that, and the wheels, I'm going to paint the wheels black. And I'm going to go to Walmart. They got a special paint that sticks to plastic, and I'm going to paint them black, and I hope to have enough paint to paint the legs on this black. They are black, but I'm just going to hit them with some spray paint and make them all shiny and new. And then I got to mow. I got all the Bez front, back, and then her pond, and, whatever else needs mowing. And then I got to go to town, pay some bills. And look at that boy. Look at that face. How could somebody not love a dog with a face that cute? Alrighty, let's get to work. Oh, Lordy, what a day. I'm done mowing. And it's Bahia grass. So I had to mow over it and over it and over it and over it to get the grass to cut. What do you think? I painted the wheels black, painted the axle red, and the table took 5 coats to completely seal. This will probably, right here, will take another coat or 2, but tomorrow I'm going to paint my solar oven. I'm going to paint the body black like it's supposed to be. And a little wooden trim around the top edge, I'm going to paint that red. And we're done with the solar oven project. Solar oven cart project. Unbelievably hot. I think the heat index is like 107 or 108. And I've been out in it all day. I don't know if you can tell by looking at me, but boy, am I brown. Chocolate brown. Brown as a June bug. Okay. Yeah, tomorrow I got a couple of things I'm going to do on my motorcycle. And, okay. Y'all have what is today? Monday? Today's Monday. So y'all have a good Tuesday. I know it was short, but, who wants to watch paint dry?